Hello everyone, I am Asima Biswal. In this class, I will discuss about budget line. Budget line is essential for understanding the theory of consumer's equilibrium. We have already discussed a higher indifference curve shows a higher level of satisfaction than a lower one. Okay, therefore, a consumer in his attempt to maximize his satisfaction will try to reach the highest possible indifference curve. Okay, but in his pursuit of buying more and more goods and thus obtaining more and more satisfaction, he has to work under two constraints. First, he has to pay the prices for the goods, and secondly, he has a limited money income, okay, with which to purchase the goods. Thus, how far he would go in for his purchases depends upon the prices of the goods and the money income which he has to spend on the goods. Indifference map represents consumer scale of preferences between two goods. Now, in order to explain consumer's equilibrium, there is also the need for introducing into the indifference diagram the budget line which represents the price of goods and consumer's money income. This is budget line. Okay, good X is represented on X axis and good Y is represented on Y axis. Okay, suppose our consumer has got income of rupees 50 to spend on good X and Y. Let the price of good X in the market be rupees 10 per unit and that of Y 5 per unit. Okay, if the consumer spends his whole income of rupees 50 on good X, he would buy 5 units of good X. Okay, if he spends his whole income of rupees 50 on good Y, he would buy 10 units of good Y. Okay, if a straight line joining 5x of good X and 10y of good Y, this is the budget line BL. BL is the budget line. This budget line shows all those combinations of two goods which the consumer can buy spending his given money income on the two goods at their given prices. Okay, so this diagram 1 shows that rupees 50 and the price of X and Y being 10 and 5 respectively, the consumer can buy 10Y and 0X or 8Y and 1X, 6Y and 2X or 4Y and 3x, etc. In other words, he can buy any combination that lies on the budget line with his given money income gives prices of goods. If he choose either H or L, this is not give higher satisfaction to the consumer. Okay, it is clear from above that budget line graphically shows the budget constraint. This combination of commodities lying to the right of the budget line are unattainable because income of the consumer is not sufficient to be able to buy those combinations. Given his income and prices of goods, the combination of goods lying to the left of the budget line are attainable that the consumer can buy any of them. Okay, the budget line can be written algebraically follows Px, that means price of X, this is into X plus price of Y into Y equal to money income. This is M. Py into Y equal to M minus Px into X. Y equal to M by Py minus Px divided by Py into X. Budget line OB divided by OL. M by Py divided by M by Px. This is OB OL equal to Px by Py. This is slope of the budget line. OB divided by OL is slope of the budget line is also equal to price of X and price of Y. Okay. Thanks for watching.